In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a meeting in Zoho CRM in our comprehensive 2025 guide. Zoho CRM has become an essential tool for many organizations, providing an ecosystem to manage customer relations effectively. One of the key features is the ability to schedule, manage, and close meetings seamlessly, which helps in maintaining streamlined communications with clients. Let's dive in and get started. Begin by ensuring you're logged into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're in, head over to the home page. If you're new to Zoho CRM, the home page acts as a command center, offering a snapshot of your CRM activities such as your current pipeline, leads, and other essential tasks. It's tailored to help you prioritize your activities and manage your day efficiently. From the home page, you'll want to look for the Meetings tab. This is typically situated within the main navigation bar, making it easy to access without having to sift through several menus. Clicking on this tab will bring you to a list of your scheduled meetings, beautifully organized for your convenience. This feature is your gateway to managing all your meeting-related tasks. Next, focus your attention on the meeting you wish to close. For demonstration purposes, we're looking at a meeting titled Demo. Find it in your list and click on it. Clicking on the meeting will open up the details, providing you with comprehensive information such as attendees, date, and time, allowing you to perform any last-minute checks or updates before you close it. Once you're sure you've got the right meeting, look for the highlight option. This is where you can review what aspects of the meeting need attention, and it's crucial for pre-closure checks. It gives you the ability to ensure everything is in order, from follow-up steps to notes on discussions had during the meeting. Now, to finalize closing out the meeting, click on the Delete button. Typically, this button will be clearly visible and it prompts you with a final summary, asking for confirmation to close out the meeting. It's important to be certain that you no longer need any information from this meeting, as this action is irreversible. Remember, closing a meeting doesn't just remove it from your list. It signifies that all the necessary post-meeting activities have been accounted for and completed. It ensures that your CRM remains tidy and efficient, reflecting only the actions that require your attention. This streamlined approach saves time and enhances productivity, allowing you to focus on building stronger customer relationships. With these steps, closing meetings in Zoho CRM is straightforward and becomes a seamless part of your workflow. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial for more Zoho CRM tips and guidance.